yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha. Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV yaba. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha. Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV yaba. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha. Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV yaba. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha. Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV yaba. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha. Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV yaba. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha. Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV yaba. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha. Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV yaba. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha. Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV yaba. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha. Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV yaba. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha. Amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano bebia yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyasha Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyasha Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba
Right, abusia yama ha na yama kwaba emfamra Sinopi ene eda ejora 28th day in the month of June 2021 twede mpandaroma ya transe ene inyamre na yetumi edi oman Ghana eho enkomo medin ede se Mike asidan koma won so onyamre na otutu bi atwa otwan yen se witimi ene yen etumi edi nkomo dwumade no Sinopi asida kese PSA pa no enko emfa ema Kumawood Training Institute makachiro nyame ade on the 17th and another training no eba so somebody kan ba kono di ho dance say Kumawood ede ne yesron kokora anti be do so a skilled training na watimi ababi na etumi abo asanso na sada enko emfa Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center kwa atibi eskafo amantem ho na Malam wo se wo how amane both spiritual and physical ina no fabra na onyame nam no so emfa enyu ha no emfiri ho entumi emfa kwa atibi na Mala Muhammad owo asada bio enko emfa ma God's Way Casket Shop so anya yie so we wedding engagement adoring o sha se da ko wi ni nyina no God's Way sebra na ontimi mu a say open canopies open chairs open set of instrument ana open sound system open casket if no daka open ambulance ade bia wo hia ede ye program bia no o sebra na ontimi emu Kumasi Asafo Liberal about na God's Way Casket Shop akache no ewo asedabio enkoma Tawhid na Topate Clinic makache se nei yenyare emfa me ho safo hene se me yare yawo me yare yawo yare na no duro ewo ho bia be kwa ba konya yare no so no duro no enso ewo ho a doctor fo mu wonim die enso ewo ho omode a na wo yare no ko ne koje ho ayarehwe ewo Tawhid na Topate Clinic madanka tufu ya sabe kese ba ko a ewa Asantemantem Kumasi Odumbodi Junction ho na akwa be hu mu na djumaku ahodo aka na wonom sika so yasne yetena se nyamre na yesi nsem no pie Ghana nkomo adwendwene oman Ghana ho enra yewremu a na enra da na Ghana's water resource minister Bantama Asenso Boache ene Ghana fo di nkomo no wo kirem se adan ahodo a aban da bi sha ase a ni na won tumi awie nyina no aban yi wo so yi obeto aso na watumi awie nyina atumi ede ama na wo se okọ ministry ade ba ko ha ne pa no menu mienu Ghana fo taxpayers yesu ene ban a ene di oman Ghana o se ade ya pa ne se Ghana ni baye nwura na onya bia nkotungro na ngu se obeto de gu gatem ana se drains mu ne nso no to a na pia ni nyina na afi ama nso yiri fa nkrofo obi wa innocent person bia onya sade ne bi kwa no na nso yiri fa no ntie behwe na yetumi agya yesu bambone no betumi aboy pa ama oman no enema atumi atumpon ede ama no nsam enso o ha benyamre na afi yetumi adi ho enso enkomo woni se population and housing census enra na census 9 nti baby a wo da enra no eho na ye bekan wo ye kan Ghana fo nyina wona onye Ghana fo nyina oyi bia wo Ghana memu ha de ye kan ne account wo ye Ghana ne onya Ghana ne mu nyina no ye kan mu yiwie nso a na ensan ye saa nso na all properties structures bia wo Ghana bia nso no ye kan na asase enra na census 9 enra na etimi asase nei omuguso omokeke benyamre na abawure mu ne mpenefo di ho nkomo ahwe se de won so nhye no esi etie census no ade se minority chiefship banda na sebedwani honorable Ahmed ade atuja kura se MPP fo ahye da pa census this year na mo de afa ho create 25 constituencies ewo omo stronghold na aboa me kwoto aba 2024 a imbusa ndisi kra wi ni presidential no a MPP for benya majority in parliament na mo de haban no sa e na ono susu no ebenya mre ne ya ne expert the census no ho enkomo the expectations and what have you ebenya mre etumi edi ho enkomo wonim se enne na ene biometric way digitalization Dr. Madu Bawumia ade bae no ye hwe na senate for o card bia wo bia na say your passport say your driving license say your voter ID card omo ni nyina ebebom sha say dia bom e de gu one card so e Ghana card say de be ya ho hwede kuta card bebre emfa wo na ma ko do so driving license we ko do so we ba ko pe na timi abo man ni nyina ene na sha say e was senate for akati across the country and also nkomo and so ewa ha Jamestown obeka ya last 2 weeks and beto dwa say Emmanuel Osei post ni a na obo ame de sika bi akoba bi na babone fo bi kokotu tu ko bonu tu kokun no ade say emrante a police so mo yes ade no omo ensa akamu miensa ba ko de na odwan ma post for atmi atunu tu na yes emrante de kura no ebi mfiri ha o yes mo firi gini ne ade na de ebi mo emrante ni bi e kan say omo ba ga na mo ye de amomo na mo peska de akom krum na mo yes a post go so mo hwehwemu ebi si bia so de betnase a ema watumi ate se de esi ekro na poku ase wo se ebi atumu na drafo ni bi ho ha minim se bonwo se de yo na nra poku ase ntachi no wona mso abe se bebi oso okono otumi kwa na obesina nem otumi kwa na obesina nem se ade na science ni ho na bi se nso a ayasemo amenu ananya agro se de nko a ewo ntachi no so ana enya agro no so nkobo ewo aha na me eno amene anye sa na ye twen na akakan adwan akire wo mo se oma honorable Sam George mo etimi di ye ho agora ma enra utimi se information minister ojo pon komo nya su kura no obisu some of us before ye ntimi anie na ye twen se be wi ni awi ansa didi before ni nyina eno ekoyi tugu ye adan kuma se asante kotoko adan ama ene akra so fo kwahuri di card den akatre matches na se etiri ani amoya nyame amoa mo man lusu nyina anto aso a na has the league no this year COVID-19 league and also has the media enra na nya agro aso folk in fact mo modern bono so no na eso nipa enya agro no so enkomo ewa ha na nsam de somebody ka kanon ados papa ebinyamre na yetimi edini na enkomo na honorable Samuel Jinapo minister lands and natural resources and ni okache Ghana fo nyina se illegal man na fight no say tu galamsa ase no enya pepere ho o say nkakra ene betumi de tu illegal man no ase nti mo adwem so nka bi ache kra no by July na ye hu illegal man na bia Ghana no o say omo ye strategic nti o say ministry no so no etimi strategic no mutumi to mase nti illegal mining e be fight peren ye timi tu ase ene monemu ya e be jamre kakra ansana etumi etu ase some no doso the Professor Emeritus uti da sibre Professor Emeritus odi atuja na ne sam no o se we ye population census no yen kan nipa na fan fix the country no yen kan ye na fix country no say jija internet me fix na intimi emwa ono so no dia odi atu eja eno no na say fix the country mrante maba wo man so be face country o me demonstration na atwa ba na just say on face country no over the weekend catch us fear door on Friday ya chi ono ene nkrofo bebre ene de beto dwa ne say omu ba ko ekotwa ne second pa e won residents a enye agro sem no edoso ya tran say medin e de say Mike ha Kumawu television aseda enkoma so nyamre na o hwe yen aseda bio enko emfa emma ya boafo a omo eboae na afebadwafo nso amaje pene se nei ombese omomre ene ya bedin komo ahwe amaman no etumi afanantuma pa etumi ede efra. We are live on Facebook Kumawu TV, YouTube Kumawu TV, ko Facebook o like no wa share na awfro nso etumi enya bi ahwe wa hwe bia no ye fa seda etumi emfa Madam Mohammed nso gusu a o hwe na nyimre aseda kese enko emfa ma ne wusuafo nyina ne tiefamfo nyina nso ye chiamo ene enyimre ye twa ye ho na yenya aboafo nkrato mra ye ba abejafo no etnase na afi enyamre etumi esinopi
Well, I will hear. You say free moon. Why the den? It is slower. We na fakoko with him and I said, I want to offer and see no more my drama. We know where now, in fact, I'm going to take man my wife.
Martin Luther.
Oh, it's been a long time. Oh, yeah.
Missy. Minia, Obrapon to Yao. Seven and my uncle and Yasha Dion. Your penny, mammy. Seven and a paddock. Oh, Marcia Camera. Chini, someone that's why. We need problem. Who bet you some free to buy better Ghana? And I'm in a confidential. What one animal said to me a day in the promise. And what bread in the capre or do you next time? Both way casket shop. I would massy labor higher. Me call one man. I know what's me yes, can't say you. You didn't mean Jawano. Missy Kaya, the man is a man. I saw a bit yes, me ambulance. Let me some peggy, everybody done no and come. Ambulance, and the down, only ambulance service into the problem cry. I mean, now, the nearly say, open your secret crab with the atwas here. Do not say, come on, stay by plano. You put them put down. Some who's way casket shops here, you will not come every to send you moving down. Who's way casket shop, you will come and say, in front of Newtown, you didn't labor office in the bank. Who's way casket shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Job training. Kumawood Training Institute. Yasai ababio. Say dear. Yase. Ye ma ye tie for. Ene ya hwefo nyina. Esua ensano dwuma. Wei aye ensano dwuma. Ene ti se woni ensano dwuma. Bamodian se obenya ensano dwuma. Entra Ghana ha se obaye dwuma ba kope na wodi ayeye. Dabi esese wonya dwuma bebre. Eka dwuma wo ye ho. Sana ye tu kwa abrochi a ye no. Eno nti bra ne besua adwuma ni bi. Eka odwuma bi a wo ye eho. Eno nti no se de ye de adwuma foforo ene de aba. Ye be kire bees making. Eye senia ye sidi ahwene eye chain, eye bags, eye mpaboa, eye ye niema bebre. Branie nchiro senia ye si eye no. Mushroom farming. Eno ye senia ye si edua emre. Unim se ubetimi de na wotwe mienu pe edua emre ama na fifi abokama. Ama wotimi atu adi ana wotimi atu akoton. Branie nchiro senia ye si eye no. Ye nuanom akuafoe ye guso afrem se momra na wombesua senia ye si ye we decide edura ye dugun haban so ama ne hye ehye ase kura babra entimi enka aduane na ewomu no brane eche se de siye no snail farming bra se ne si eyen enwa obetima yen enwa ama na nyini kama ama wonso wakoton e de anya wusika wotimi de aye won kwan papa bi brane eche se de siye no ye besan so akireo 3D epoxy and 5D epoxy se de samwa monim se 3D and 5D epoxy wo ye wo dem a etishren afei so ye besan so akireo liquid soap sa liquid soap yi ubetimi aton ye be kire shower gel eye sinesi ye shower gel ama edi dware ama ye honam eye trom bra na ye kire sinesi eye brown sugar a wodi be ye oniema bebre aton asanya sika ye besan so akireo mo sinesi ye powerzo afei so ye be kire sinesi eye tomato paste no eno ane ye fre no tea tomatoes bra na ye kire kama na fa ye waduane ubetimi so aye akoton ama wonya sika bebre ye besan so akireo ice cream wo ye de show fridge ma de sanima we nyina ye kireo na ye jo 300 Ghana cedis pe ubedi kan asend 50 Ghana cedis na fei ye de register e de amount ye register wa so fra kiri ana wo ba na ebuku ba bi obeda eno achi no ye de bi ebe handout e de amount ye besan so aye pen drive video ana se ye be kire ni nyina so ye de be guso na e de amount in case say ure fi bibia no wa play no wa hwe no wa kaka ni nyina afei so ye be ma wo aduane ready wo lunch a obedi na wia ne de ye de be ma wo ni nyina ka 300 Ghana cedis a obetua ne ho na ya sa kyerɛw enema we nyina we de eye fofofo se wo pese obesua sansa no nyuma we nyina ene ebomodi ase ebi we de obeba esan se ye wie sa enema ya bobɔ so nyina ye de foforo ene beba eye dakope ene ye de kyerɛw eye Saturday 17th July mu ni da etoso edunson ene ye no eda ba akope ye de be kyerɛw enema we nyina kama pa enu ti no fa number na eda screen so no na send your mobile money edi man sesi a o send 50 Ghana cedis na wo ba wo de 250 Ghana cedis no edi aba send call 0244294066 0244294066 afenso obetimi afresh a number ya egu screen so nyina na afei ya register eye 0244294066 channel so say eye number ba ko pe ene da screen so frensesi a na ye register ma eye 0244294066 frensesi na ye register ma say kase Kumawood Training Institute no oji so say ensanu djuma ahimfie beye butu
Oti animudia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom
obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a cheno wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra
ya djuma me mene da
okay
kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo beto ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda.
Right, I was sign Emma Makwaba, Kumawood TV, you go so Sinupi. We are also live on Facebook, Kumawood TV, and on YouTube, Kumawood TV. Argentina Fabra, Yamra can come. I heard numbers now. A good screen has no another Argentina for Waba. Yamra can kind at me the amount. Oh, yeah, voice note. You at the amount, voice note, Madame Rantem. Now, Yamra, and to me more from our answer. Now, WhatsApp message or a text message. Or the bar, it beat me and Yamra. Na fi ya bo ana can kan e de amount me din once again it is Mike you go so edi enkomo ye ne enkomo no the main ones ne yemsa the issue of population and housing census amafo to say as a campaign no and as education no head and kosa but all in all enra na yetimi asha say officially e bia odan no na be kan won tu ko bi ne ye kan wa ana so ko bi ne ebusa me o kan say bia o ha fi ha ye nan enu ano dodo san na eda efie ho ansan eni ebechi eno na omo ehweso ede aka benya mre na ye de ho enkomo ewi a the fight against illegal mining minister say enye ne ya ebecha akra amanfo nsu say ya jinsemu ana now nsu no still last week na me na mofin ho you could see still nsu no eni eda so call ede na ede ebasa ho sam enso ewa ha ena afi napco there's still adwumafo no kasa say akatua no emae boso miensa last week mote say on Thursday odike ene Paul Kwabrayando NPP communication team member tifia no ka say asema Paul kan ye ene say because of board anya womo ema in place na ebia musika no ache nti no omampani settle na oyi ne boss ni na no a monsa betimi aka musika no sa de tie anasa nya sa ene tie regional officer waha ebenyamre na fi yetumi adi napko so ehon komo faje nchane bra we issues we are concerns menya na afi nyamre so no intimi address FM especially if you have an issue on napko or the bar ebenyamre na yetumi address so e dey ama once again yemo ha yemo adwo yemo akwaba emfamra Sinupi so we ya for no atenase ma me ema nanajasi Ashanti Regional Communication Team member of the NPP in Share constituency ono na ye communication officer of NPP so na ukọ napko Ashanti region so a waka mpanifo no eho nana atrance nana kwa ba
enia se
boko de
se anyame adom dom na mo bible
fuguno so efata pa wa efe das awu hia so be efe
nyame adom
okay minim de say question we me colleagues ne bi na das me musa na my musa of age ai
na wo bisa
I don't asem no me nya ho
And I said, oh, I wouldn't say I was like I was at open now. Ugo busa.
Let me say everybody have voice.
You jump quite change. You jump quite change. Master now busa. I have propaganda here. The tata.
Well, Nana, you're here on census 2021. If you say more yes, I didn't know. Now, more than 25 constituencies in your stronghold. But I say, as Quacker, we are betchim. As one Simunya betchim, any other day. But census Nakasano, all in all, a big publicity, yes, I say on that score. Over can say, I'll go down.
And share we say. And share come out with TV, I should phone you.
Good.
And share Asante Mai. Na menka se enra da ene ohumie mami erama enra ene ne birthday na woda man happy birthday na yese nyamisha min ncha hodi wom men proye edemano yese nyamise omane enche wata as fast as so na omani ho nano council
amen to lady belated happy birthday
happy birthday na yenche party for
okay
yenche from national yenche regional executive na titu yenche chairman odeno
okay chairman odeno
yes
okay
odeno gwa pia na no Saturday we came.
Last 2 weeks.
Sunday no. We came last week Sunday now.
Yeah.
Also,
Nay. VIP buy.
VIP buy.
I hope was say 502 billion.
Pacho, figure meaning.
So there more bonds how? And before.
Pacho. Yeah, before the bonds.
Yeah.
And this is for the bonds.
But some of the 2 billion I know.
Party for the bonds. Government confessed the bonds and nipa de obo bra na se wanim tria obo bra na man so man for so
okay ma men kwa homa no so na men ko din komo emra ma mene Mr David Combat en kan no PRO e de ma Ghana Statistical Service ne oya okay deputy government statistician and ne oya private former exactly and then they are a private consultant at the Statistical Service. My main name Komo. Oh, okay. Right. Mr. Combat, you for this correction. But then, you shall see on 2021 population and housing census. We will say, you can't say, you can't Ghana for what is the need? If I saw crown anything, you for one shot here.
As a country, from time to time, we are recommending that country we are kind of I want to do and I'm the characteristics. And so on. You see, the country we are you are not recommending
oh, okay. Inti mre da ho nya se bia ban bi na aba no force wa akan Ghana for. Ndi ya ka say
after independence we started 1960. When I later stand for 1970. 1980 no. On the revolution 1970 now after 1980. That's okay, now we can start 1980. But I wish 1984. Okay, Emma, 2000, Emma 2010. And to estimate the onset of the last year, that because of COVID, no. I'm not here, and to my American here.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now, wadaromo yehu se ombetwetwe ye dan ho eno so e
ene kan kwa na kan e ko na e da e da wo pa na aspect no e da ya do de da no e pa e da ya do no e ya da da do ti da ni de pa o do ti wo se men ni no ba ta e da no anu da ni do e da na e na e mo do pa bu wa le e ya mo do da na ba le ba wo tu le e bi ni touch e da wo e bi ni e our shoes everything whatever to do now.
Oh.
Apart from that, you know, if you want now, only part of time is done. And to let the you're not to do a number. Now, if you could do a number, how much you have to go and watch you. Because every number of time is on the down, one other year, over mistake. And to a time, you have one number. Now you are the best in so that today and then you can get it through. But you look at the
oh, okay. You can't Ghana for Nkwa, and I say, Omonya Kwenya, and so better Ghana, account. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, that's it. Mm-hmm.
And just to remind let people remember the night.
Oh, okay. Nti obiara na o Ghana enra ana jodama de tia no pay no. Omo na ye kan omo.
Omo na ye kan mo ye ni green land no the dia of the dia. What are the Ghana no? E kan. You know the person be we are national of which country? If we know, Australia now Australia now much.
Oh, okay. Another way so say you can ehunu say bia meme wa Asukwa constituency. Your number no population no do ba bia eboa ma ye bia ye create a region, a district, a municipality, another constituency and no it mean for me decision.
Because of the creative and the population.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Na say yent area have for those power say my municipality. Yeah.
Because the plan is a decentralized planning. And so that's a clear
now, Mr. Combat, who share publicity? Another twist in so by Bimukwa to say, oh my, far more year, Jumano. I was saying, more time, pa, more personal to say, as a teacher for Anna, you may do one, a teacher for. Okay. na ye can say 10 years bia na was na is 2020 na this time around na be 2021 no ebenam sa ma na akoye the next 10 years and I say e be san reverse back to the normal 10 years na nanka 2020 2030 okay
I don't know 5 years and I 10 years. But 5 years, maybe it was years to go and then to go and breathe and then do it and so.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. 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 And then you know free what what's the estimated figure? More experts no. More sharing more say at the end of the day, can we are ye Ghana for a little one approximation say any bear saying
30 million to 31 million. 30 to 31 million.
Wow. Wow. So a command is a dear na a debate to a minor so. Okay. 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 Finally, now say you say possible say after this population and housing census no, you bet me new districts, new constituencies, depending on the numbers are ebeba. Yeah. Okay. Where the boy kakra? Statistical service say apart from say you be kind Ghana for no. Ejuma baby on mo ye. Ya nti o banka o.
No provincial inflation and consumer inflation. Other surveys on health, on education, so many things. The society the country was in around 1%.
Okay, all right. Right. Mr. Combat, and you may come out TV and I have for that's a power one chimua or the Amae.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, we David Combat, former deputy government statistician, na otene kanu chirimu odi ama nti e kan Ghana fo nyina nti wo no na wo Burkina ene nei wa fa boda ne so an no be wuremu a ye kan wo kan bi nti no wa makora nkeye ena wo so a pese wo tena Ghana na ye kan wi an no tu kwan da bi once a oda ne nko Ghana he no na de we tumi atu kwan ye ba mo ofie no do be ka ho ama etumi akan nti na ye say some suspicion back from the NDC camp say ye kan Ghana fo a enya den anu a MPP for ambition be say omo be create 25 regions in their stronghold no betimi a true and untrue because of the number na beba no na stress say yen create new constituencies enfanka ho and I say new district municipalities and so intimi enfanka ho well wajen kire no Fabra bia wo no have you been counted, are you willing to be counted, and will you support that statistical service say omo encounter wana enyamre na eni hu enkomo amesamre bio jasi what the expert no ntiri mo de ama na me busa say publicity no mu hu ni saying
Also the population to the expert not watching.
Yes.
Smart number. No more you may but the thing is, and about publicity say that Nanka, a baby, a Juma song, it is saying, a constitutional mandate of a constitutional creature. Okay, so an institutional constitution na set up. So on the last day and say on king kind on king kind die. Ghana hanyina Tiffany puene atoye bia na onfasa figure na mabai. And ye mu say boa mabai no etimi hu na on sika no. Kwan on be chiche na fa. And kwan was oboga na obrafa. Because manu say yes. So na 100 Ghana citizens na medema. So madro so 100 Ghana citizens and so mu biem. Was a bitum. So was a bituma and tumuna. A hand fan the door so and was a okay, and a hand fan abia constituency and district banner, not region banner. Omuya time pufro, omuya pine pufro, omuya nsuo pufro enti census and the and yeah say about a bit of 1 2 3 4 5 that's running the code be a J information, detailed information. Omunya adwuma maburu a omo e Ghana na ehun hawa e betimi broni say extrapolation ahwe akọ adwun akọ enim say the share population of youth are unemployed. Ghana a future net is and I share youth ya kwame na was done than your mofa. The expected goals are per achieve no very a bit me achieving into a bois and my ultimate planning. And the share certain foreign countries cry. Omokra no more advance here to the extent said now they are counting trees and animals. And thank you to see a friend say by blood to hear that you know we are Nanka starting near be or be a fast special species rosewood here as a mean Quebec rosewood beer Wagana. I'm a special name in a tag. And who's your pedigree? Who's your pedigree? The planning I mean, and you could see be a Wagana, be a veterinary. And I say, a more publish almost study. Oh, we see we are now say, my AC, Osha, Moyami, and Sunday double, on the kind. And the a bois Emma on my ultimate planet. It be shame on my auntie. Says also no, and not attached. But I'm ready, so say a year, certain region in certain districts. My bunny be up high because of a year. They claim quote unquote. I see a year data no cry. They use data no find today. And from one, your man being said, the DTA census director, Professor, it's in a notice on press briefing. Information minister, you know. Take around 10 o'clock here. Now, ocean in Casayana, constitutional, you know. Your mom ran a share or no. So, who be our baby refused to say, yeah, only in Cairo. It's a middle family question. Fine. Imprisonment to come.
But you'll be an a question. If you're on another dinkum, and you are also Abia, Ubia, with your between the Duke and the Kodinkomo. It is on kind of say Abia, well, if you know, the information beyond the manwa. It doesn't mean that you can't count them because there are other people in the house with me.
When the census officer know action of you, the citizen of Ghana, detailed information about what.
Okay. But they're not going to do it one after the other.
One after the other. But what's the media? Me family kind.
My information.
Yeah. My information.
From Fiaco.
That's for. I'm running my own question with you.
Okay.
To me, no family class. But really, I mean, say, data now, you know, we say people may be picked over the years. Such a government, Ako, intimi panye, yema, to my phone expertise, yema, something substantial has been done. Yema can say has been done, but you say Rome was not built today.
Okay.
Crack, and I need to say it. Certain actions we are see take it from you, a queen. We need to be advised by the population of the citizens. CBC school now, you don't know any access. Only access and yes, if it's we need to be informed by science, concrete science and data. And the ABC marketer, or see who within the vicinity, market women or essay. Who say apply in a certain trade? Who do say apply in a certain trade? This market, I'm waiting my usually. Yes, I'm busy marketing. I say, based on marketing, I'm about to be here. Yes, collecting this one. And we here. Now,
more idea be more agenda be actually say, let's do this one, use that one to constitute or create new constituencies. Said NDC for her second.
One aspect in the Casa, aspect in the Casa. I'm not sure the mind should be what you should say to me for I should force you take. Or say,
I'm not question, I'm not one.
Any population, and just as Ghana statistical service for now.
Omocracy. Yeah, but I'm not the figure now, Kakoma, easy, any local government.
I hear you are creating new regions. You know, we can see creating new districts. Powerful, no, someone why now. A year near due was in 2020.
For Rollins, yeah. Kofi Adams,
certain demarcations be why it has to be done. A constitutionally electoral commissioner, that was a duty. And I think, sir, if my memory serves me right, sir, within an excess of 29,000, between 29,000 to 45,000, they can create constituency out of them. And when I can say, Abambia Koba, and this year added near 20, where we have 245, I don't create 30 cow. A man called 275. Did we complain? Did we say they had a malicious agenda? You probably feed a mom, because says, constituencies no for the back out. Said about meeting with the I don't know about
almost we know more the more creating almost stronghold.
Let me say, electoral commission, yeah, is guided by science and data and criminal reorganization and boundary.
Okay.
That the Mamufon also willingness to join certain constituencies so play in the traditional people also conform to yeah, again, but the thing is, when you have created new regions, when you have created new constituencies, new districts, certainly new constituencies will follow.
Okay. Professor Emeritus Dasibre Utibuaten Ebelebu say yes, you know, yeah, can Ghana for no. Yeah, farmer fix Ghana problems over Ghana. Yes, you be kind of about watching it.
I don't know, I can't say. One say the category of the youth are unemployed now. When the government gets the data now, I don't know, there was about an informed decision. Say, Mabuni Hidima. Because we had it and la, and then the argument, and then I argue. Say, Ubena did and la, something to be far in critique. You know, because I say, by a critique. You know, because I buy a critique.
Okay.
One deputy minister and the starting minister call you 4.6 million job. No, no credit I mean to be in Casa Opia and but you see Ghana the air can say the time is coming now and the time is already here. So what's it to be see say if you take it TVET no seriously technical and vocational education and San Jumano. Now you're going to into all levels of our education. So you be a person who goes piano. Regardless, you go university, you are focusing on any children who goes here.
Okay.
We have a what I said, they have person here, no. We are not what I need half a paper, maybe we need to be able to find means and ways to resource a year. No,
okay.
Now, no, to me, you know, right. By Nipaba. National Entrepreneurship and Innovation.
Yeah, but I have heard NAPCO for no so issue. NIP no unim crofo ma benefit from the NIP. In junior constituency, do you know the number of people who benefit from the NIP?
Oh, minimum.
Oh, sir.
Minimum. Nipa be say. I am nipa be 16 there about.
Our constituency. I benefit from the NIP. Right. Remember mo hear me no. Wa unim NIP. What you say you nim the year na the unim be benefit. Wa so benefit we university. Then it say institution benefiting so you can let us know. Now you will say indeed juma wadwen kire no fabra voice note and afi WhatsApp you know the buy be nyamra kan kan e de mama nemra ntem na nyamra emo emfa ema ye tin komo on population and housing census. Mama ko moro akwaba as usual. Good. You didn't come on census. So far omo di kan ba fiam wo hu omo.
Machia no machia ashefo ne for majebre na omohwe ya senti ya na machia o crew asema wo bi say dey in fact bi say yenum bia dibia yete radio so ne TV so na e be hu say census ne some few people are bia from my visit to I will not sit here and say no cover here. But some made many who census officer bisa oba mi fie na de me hu bisa and I was very late to an upper program as I was supposed to be and grew on terms it was because now me trying say a census 90 day definitely I no pay and I'm more by 8 o'clock and 8 a.m. there about who the feel of it and I be a census officer because I have a lot of questions for them.
Oh, questions the mama. Oh, say omo ba nya wo nti no mo ba.
Omo bebusa.
E bia no mo bebusa landlord kura no. And your landlord can do it on behalf of every tenant.
Na say omo so say o kwa also do date of birth na dey in there.
Okay.
If you don't ask me personal questions, how would you get my
okay, if you run want me who say man. Okay.
And you know me who say
they will come from now on to 11th July.
But then me have been so yebi. No so am man who says me almost here team me say nipa more than 200.
No, or one officer.
Now one officer is one. I believe say be no ntina me nyam hu no. Na mudin komo na mo ka say some of them are driving them away. Be say on mo kan o mo. I don't blame them. What I say. I know no be dem come up. Say President Akufo-Addo am feel side say I am a politician. The good one of course. You say Mike, I want the public transport more. Some people who say oh yeah NDC niana MPP niana masa any of the very show. And I don't see good future in terms of relationship with other sects, I mean politicians.
Are they wedding?
Say Mike, you can kind nipa for what purpose? You can kind nipa send you be here, you be who situations are on munina a woman. Even questionnaire no cry or more day ban suggest to say you didn't say baby or one more here or hopa, do not so near Juma or say you decor. Na Yakobo Amona almost 2 minutes my and so on and so forth. But over the years, they are not saying that. Most especially with the current dispensation. His Excellency Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Ni omo take pressure omo bufu. The president inquired me use €15,000 at the high flight. It will just 1 hour. 1 hour. And no flight in the board. What I say? No, to who you man, I feel now be wasting the time. I bet now I'll be the questions. Maybe so an employer no at the end of the day, so late 15 minutes could be in it. Jana met to say, I am Rao, say, oh, yeah, Babekan owners also one kind of idea no great to me tonight. I laugh. The mic, yeah, Mr. And they actually carry your more cane. And the officers know the corner. Omokwa, they have policemen along. Because they said, me my own kind, me a chidana. Mumpe be before from country omo, and I'm on country Ghana for. Ni omo yeno. It is based on the fact it's a more disappointing omo big time. And the sensation mobile and kamuye bibia. Sabi muko nanka muko kan omo a. Enko mum serenchire mu. Wose sa wo ye ne yanko nim ye dai.
Ati.
Wono mu akoko kan omo no Ghana fo dwen se aban na asom omo so omo mra meka omo na meboa. Onim se aban na nya hwe ma no. Ana se Mike meboa. Ye din komo. Some people are the catcher. Onim has definitely failed in terms of even fulfilling on one casino promises and so on.
But when it's about no,
no.
Yet me,
I don't dispute that. But because I don't blame them because situation are not presented in this way to them. The way crown baby because moya dadanwa. President Boka could be near the AAC secretary. And that is the only thing on Betimania with regards to say Omo cooperative. Apart from that, this is not the first time I actually did Anameboa. It is a bino, it will be beer, on pass and pepper being cancer. On medication in Kofu, and education also a mao, Mukramaya had you, Omode Jungle Abatua. Omama Bibiza Munyamu did it. Ade. Duduona ye babekan no nim yenti aye babekan no. And I want them now wo keka na wo de number bi say wo ba na say ya me ankan wa ye beto ni ade no nkro ne ba no eh bogus man. I'm telling you because you can't carry it. Ade a wontimi nya na mo ho wa. It is not feasible because many people will resist. E dia ne say bebre ni fie. Wo kono ni fie nso e.
Tene wo ni fie.
Da bi wo kona se bi nipa no oni fie abende. Wase me ma on kan me kwa akote no wo be ko woni fi we ne na de bi the policeman edi obi a sebe wase on twere ni din. I
saw something on social media na officer na boom na pardon be also who are you was from statistical service because I don't have time for you, I'm watching football so tuna padi ginechiri
the essence of getting involved in terms of writing your name as well. But a very important exercise. And no my who near war every situation you war a man temu.
Okay.
Baby or honomo and ye do na where Jumaye. Baby or honomo so do na near Jumaye. A dear na do na yen wo. Maybe an more no crap, I obey me immediately and so on and so forth. But on this trust in it because the current dispensation has failed to live up to expectation. And so therefore, only time sabi or the Bejina census officer one man kind of but rather not the best football. And no exciting and no money real feel the fact say President Timidari will be near DSC Kakutia.
So where comes the new twister NDC for people of the course the government is doing so to create 25 constituencies in the strongholds of the party?
It is another topic we believe in this months and for much more suffering or any money free home. One form of sonny money in Congo. Because you see, Abanwe consistently has made us to believe say near a Dana Kumasu Pan say or maintaining power. And you also during the peak period of COVID. And I witness register for Anameboa. You are told baby, crowd the bank and they accept him. Names and they accept here. Meboa. And they accept new one. But they accept it. For some time, I believe say yes, starting your crunch here. So, what was the need for that? And so on and so forth.
momfa mo adwene ne mo ani so nyɛ den enko ho mama ne nyɛ the politics as usual because enema be ho no NDC dey about bontis during the 4-year rule of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo atwam ewie kire esiye ana meboa and her judgment that ya be 170 million na aban konko defend dia aban te ho say covid aba enti menko covid ayi your friend say ye to aba can you imagine semai abatuo no hunya sense obekwa ko protect the public purse etia na sankofu wetu onyum aba woyomi ni ade ne ho nkro ne ba e magana foti o moto aba ma wo mo a na ne wo hwe ne asi ya enya represent 170 million. Okay, is what I mean. $170 million. Can it be compared? Mean justify woyomi, but can it be compared to that 51 million Ghana cedis? Can it be compared to that? Sir, could defend the Ghana. Na Ghana, sir, judgment debt be crying a bit here. Because now, Banasa, judgment debt be crying a bit here. Very lesser than 170 million.
Minasi,
because of election,
right?
A banis went to defend the
Good.
The current dispensation, the Niama one Ghana for no huno, and I'm more to one officer be bas or Barbecan, who the need for it to,
Okay. Right, when I say,
rather than say, arrest to marry, solve the problem.
We say, good evening, Sir Mike. I have not been counted to Jones Anoche, Jones, or Meba, Abekan Tinti, Nyabotre. We say, when are they doing it? And where are they doing it? Oh, Meba fee. Monya, where now? There's a now they're in Swatre, is it not in Brunafu? Nyabotre, Mbeba, Munyabotre, and my senses for no. We say, good evening, Sir Mike. Upon all the money they have been collecting, they couldn't do the publicity well. You see, the NPP man also was not able to answer that question posed to him and that of the expert you called. Ghana for you. Okay, I know the other, but I don't know. I say, I'm Cashman, watching you from Nkranza. Please tell the experts and the statisticians that we will not be counted. What they counted us when we were 26 years ago, what have they been able to do? I'm now 36 and moving to 37. Nothing for me. Christian, Good evening, Sir Mike. Kindly tell your panelists that we will be counted and hope that this government can create more jobs as they have started doing. Kudos to Nana Akufo-Addo and Vice President Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia success, and so they are also at the Abanon. Well, you go so eating come for Zebra. Na inyamre and kenkan and famakacho say voice note na de ba. Manem lantem, and manem 1 minute. Simple. Na odi aba na inyamre etumi abo etumi edi ama. Now the issue of NAPCO nation builders. Ojuma no maye ebi mo kura wa say mo fedi out wa anisa. At the end of this year, maybe I'm fedi out. And share saying na mo so am continuously mo ka say eka ya de mo ka yentu aye no. Is it true? Say the mo ka ana say e bi ana mu ba ku menu bi na mo create that impression say as I aban no e de mo nyina mo ka. Last time you was here, now the argument was that ye ne mo ka. But ekowi achi no na akoyen sem bibre. Well, Mami Samra ho, you are a regional officer, NAPCO. Mudo mo kasen, boso me sen. E de na sintia sika no emaye.
Oh. That was it. Opportunity na message say before I ever bad NAPCO sense him so. Ukrainian men say is speaking on behalf of our party and me precisely because I'm a party nearby. Now, I said, you're so mean to be my minion. I'm say, a foot through what? A foot through I watch a chair of what? And to move to my when I should win. First of all, President has never said anyway. And in fact, I'm sure the Minister for Defense has never said anywhere. Said President, because some of us will get away. It was was never any questioner or parliament to court answer. Secondly, President of the Republic, any all President Abba, and including him in John Dramani Mahama. But I say, you know that there is an urgent question in Parliament, an MP. As a young President John Dramani Mahama, on also chartered flight of fire now. On any year, the child picture barrier. Plane 77,000. What do you say 50? 77,000. And I hear Oji. Ababijina, Ababe. The security of the President of the Republic, the safety, and your paramount.
The Falcon, not a better.
Falcon 77,000. What's about what can say Falcon better?
That was the safety, no? Or that time, not Falcon, not yet.
Falcon,
talk about it.
I know what I say. Not Falcon, no. President, they are embarking on a long journey like this. I'm a woman to now any plainly two a poor one and Inji Feli. And yet, and yet, another than Kakufa don't crown. Don't the money, Mahama, person, no, no, so you should Falcon. Or also to call long distance, or to call him first landing. Kajami, Amphifia, Kajon. That's what I hear, Professor Mas. Okay, and nobody is saying, hey, I'm trying. Apart from the president, not no. There are other passages of them. You must as a president to crowd compare planer, Emia Toyma, plain 8 million area, president of the republic, a Jaru Mudia, or two plane no, a bath no, and the Apodifia, player I can't find for you, or my penny for person or die. Or Tramuda, or Tramuda, David. One better move first. Most of this near nine, and this is government. And when we are making objective analysis, that says us once a month. When you affiliate, when you TVS, when you empty, Temamufua or more flouted, Mra, your constitutional. Yet this year, sir, and no never boy a democracy, yeah, won't buy no. Or more flouted, Uber can be actually when your opportunity. Radio and TV is supposed to inform and educate. He has failed woefully. The opportunity given to him to tell those Ghanaians, sir, please, come to me here. And be an end so. Damn, come be a so bad.
But if you listen to him, well, he never says it in here. But I say, what's the issue of what's the issue of say, census, statistical service, cancer say, but not say. Why never bet you no? Oh, about the police need to do a tear now. So they should tell Ghanaians, among convincing Ghanaians, why they should involve themselves in the way not done to just threaten them with this legalities and those things.
Me say, whatever you call it, threat or whatever, is it enshrined in our constitution? So
it is. It is.
And so what are you running away from? And who educated you need to tell him. Say yes, a year, see I was here. Now a bit more about the penny some no, Maka crepina, or Muno say your song.
Okay.
I flat to know. And my name say I had the beauty of Adina.
Very well.
No, because I'm media, civic responsibility, corporate social responsibility. Okay. A bit of Musumamu, a bit of okay, as party people, I buy a politician was saying that Otra radio swap, Otra friends, public president transport one, want to be introduced to let me introduce you.
Okay. Now let's move on to NAPCO. Yes. How many months? I didn't see.
NAPCO no planning a band to make Kessia or the Aba. Said the determine, but no, said the essence social. na na kwa kufado ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia beba 2017 January 2017 7 January na data available and they say there were well over 500,000 unemployed graduates.
Okay.
In fact, on MAPTI, the BFM Graduate Unemployed Association. So my buying here is say ba. But for quite the best strengthen a year. Public sector, the private sector, human resource capital. So the baby me and ya I do one battery and no one thing. No money media manual. About Pia a year. Certain activities we are getting for public sector. And the shine is a fire, a motors and so.
Okay, 7
motors. 7 of you, she Ghana, you educate Ghana, you will civic Ghana, you will feed Ghana, you will educate Ghana, the NDC for the teach Ghana, you teach Ghana, you will educate Ghana. Okay, then your revenue Ghana, okay, account. See, we have 7 models.
Okay.
That's 7. When we can prepare, yeah, application people 174,000.
And I'm apply.
It was not 197,000.
197.
Then
Okay.
174. Then those who completed process of submission, uploading the documentation cover, some around 127,000. As I call interview.
Okay.
127,000, it has to be shortlisted to somewhere around 100,000. But another day, in 99,000.
Okay.
700 and plus.
It was 100,000.
100,000.
And I'm Munyaye. Mufa. Mama Juma no more. For contract, how many years? 3 years. As soon as that being
October 17th.
October 17th this year. Okay. So you're showing we Modi Omaka. And I say Maclay.
Okay, sir, Jumadi Shisheno. You means okay, you want to hear the more skills be at the amount,
okay,
training be at the amount. Whilst we are gathering the skills, okay, need chalka,
okay,
skills that be more included any opportunity to do any courses outside.
Okay.
India, it is a China, it is Asian countries in Dubai. Who enroll we are buying them Chiawoka, HI's a mission fee, apprentice certificate, recognized international certificate.
More Ghana for my Bruni be on my benefiting. Oh, okay. Am I benefiting from what you are saying? If you go India, I could see Mako China.
Online.
Oh, online, okay.
So they are giving
allowances and those things. Okay.
And the we are your exit.
Okay.
Exit
plan.
Pathway, not plan. Yeah, as part of the exit plan, before I been here, not pronounce. And she said, everybody say yes, finish for exit. But the exit through 3 main pathways.
Okay.
One was a through entrepreneurship. So I buy a share a babuna or more after man or my fantasy in the skills. No, was a boom or enterprise Ghana. The 7 enterprise Ghana. The Mako State enterprises are a more yet left, right, center. It is about and the testimony is there. In general, she sharing the Akase. Or more person of entrepreneurship, or more person of Pujan and House. About no, and she shall guide you. Now, any other state agencies, it is a MBSSI, if it is a master, okay, if it is any other bodies collaborative in team amount, a certain opportunity to be guided in the amount. There's a capital here, or the best set up. Depends on proposal and then as a part of the
okay.
See, that was one of the pathway. Then one was the second one was retention. Retention in a bit more permanence.
Okay. So, baby, I had money. Okay. Come.
But no. you for a quite years one now before you bear it. You bear not for your papa, me a drop plan that. Get a bed. Start processing. Okay. Instead lunch, be a friend career pathway transition order. And my graduate in another put in a core system, so go church or more upload a year day. You must see certificate. All the
I know what I'm running
information. I don't know by actually National Cyber Security protecting it, government of Ghana, and employment Mr. Moon protected. Meno kase sa share no eda eye process more on move for the meno kase as part of say yes I no meno kase Hill Ghana training meno kase it's almost ending like a baby because every trainee or what Hill Ghana mo okuta diploma certificate has been absorbed.
Hill Ghana no omo ya the health sector
Hill Ghana pharmacists, nurses, doctors now, the then government engineer form more qualified.
More for be a napku. Almost all of them on the Mama Majuma.
So, Okuta diplomas, Okuta license I recognized by Ghana Health Service.
On your Juma,
no, because you are forming up.
Okay, that's how the napku cry had any hope you.
To say, I got a year MVTI.
Okay.
For a move.
Okay.
MVTI for the process of being rearranged and dealt with.
Unfortunate.
Then the last one, which will be a year, more opportunity to continue your education. Okay, you will not put one. There are processes government can give you scholarship so far as or qualified.
The exit no.
The exit is the
okay, I don't know what you say. Into Obia about Obia no. Or napco says that's room no. You see that said by October 17th no. Now I am the permanent.
Oh, your mom to see that.
Okay. Did you be able to be an Sabacana?
Oh, depending on who choose protection, that's a 1 minute. The social is here. Who produces our no more must be one there. That's it. Obiba said, you're to not catch your man. I say, I found a permanent trip to find say that you don't come. Over recommending you no man word man. Oh my own recommend no. And see, you are setting up question here, via Dama, and your line managers now. Okay. You know, because I for me, line managers need to affiliate with must send they in the process of completing the every trainee be almost massive. So
all things being equal, there, more than they likely say either they will be retained. Either they will get something to start up their own business, or they can get a scholarship to go and study.
My testimony say he Ghana for NSS for no.
We are phobia. Well,
and you teachers for no.
Okay, almost so. Okay.
But yes, there is still staff station.
Not necessarily no crano. Napco no crano. Maybe our Mokrana, your mom 7 Ghana no. Figure a class what I drop it down. Okay, I feel a canoe module on a banner say.
GRE. Any customs.
Okay.
No more.
Homophobia. Okay. A canoe so then I'm going to do okay.
Now, Menoka say, once a hotel end of a friend say, not come. And she said, remember for the first contract.
2 minutes now. 3
months let economy use 4 months economy. I was a audit. Okay. Then when I was a catch, I said, you're going to go for more anxiety. To be bring now, instead of them declining, majority of them are not declining. They want to still take controller and accountant general pay no matter. No massage enough could you know account. I'm person who do some unity.
But I am one of my or Nigeria, Beba, or Nigeria, what me up one arm, I been a permanent Nigeria. And I'm moving from automatic.
This authority, who training, who now what password and everything to them. Porter, you are protected that police say the way say.
No more the political program.
Now we will say about we will to food to second mafia. I can talk about man. Also, they come mafia. Okay.
Until almost about eminent, omunti na ama ende modern crofo kana na omo free mu na omo free mu ntam modern crofo kana enro ni to daroma
me ka ba bi se na ko mo asem de e wo so nyame me ka ba bi se enunti ye bibi e fen auditing or vetting the NAPCO validated every stipends every validation with controller and accountant general AFP and other payment systems. So they'll be able to share out all of them. Until from April, they will attach to it. January, February, March, April. Yeah, but no penny. I mean, I can't tell you. Now we can't because I am propaganda. I was saying
just saying.
Sir, now we time I ban. Nanti I see be ended.
Yeah.
Sir, you see, and then I could please.
Okay, someone of 2 months.
Catch up, say, for all regular NAPCO trainees, it will not catch 2 months.
Okay.
That does not mean, say, Obiwo, peculiar problem. And no cannot be said. But, so later came out, say, 3 months, January, 3 months. Maybe I feel about 3 months. Is a matter of 3 months. From April to June, don't look what they read. Never 3 months. Okay, when are you finishing the auditing to pay them? I mean, the catcher said the regular payment now, you know, and for me 99.67% of every penny. John, why I do a mocano? I do a moca 3 months, Penam, no, I said, June become 3 months, no. Only 96.7% of them. Okay. See, they make any. And to be the guy, you be pay 4, 5 months, 7 months, 8 months. A peculiar problem there. Only back on the walk into the army. He was overpaid. Okay. In the process of retrieval, and only a few people. A few people. Several reasons to go with a duplicate department. Numbers. But and only a few people. And only a few people. Okay, majority no 3 months. Majority need 3 months. When are you paying them? Government has given us the assurance because the auditing is almost complete. You are hoping say FNZ to be completed by the end of this month. You know, because the June validation is ongoing. The gate you can get your validation. Okay, government has said they said you are far on your but you will be testimony to it from 2020. But you are when you be on tomorrow. Oh, and you be on to more overpayment or no. Okay. Any duplicate. Few people no. I was say it's possible it will happen. I will be a friend of Kuba. I already is almost 11 months. Okay. You know, because you share meeting and say I deal with the issue. And I mean I say, Mama Komra, Moro. Extensively, the genesis of NAPCO, what they intend doing, and then even exiting October 17th. No, the assurance is that it be about 90% of them there, also become with sustainable jobs as they term it, and then the issue of say, one person further studies. No, you say supervisors no are able to. Okay, but should it happen that the supervisors clear them say almost 90% of them no okay. I don't have the data on police or portal so no to see sir then
find it and talk about it.
Retention, okay. Continue education. Okay. Okay. But in our son say, more supervisors, everything are clear. Must say indeed, more money and then you know in the now say be all require further studies. As the government has no choice than to give you the opportunity to further studies. So also retaining also he has no choice than retain because we are a competent Ghanaian with the minor. That's the assurance. And the music cannot come so no. You say auditing because some of your colleagues are free. That's one enjoy. They say you move free before you can be paid. So possibly by the end of this month, nobody will be number to meet your car. This is coming from an officer from NAPCO here in Ashanti region. More of you.
Sir Mike.
Yes, sir.
Yami anim no krani. Yedi ye kan sama. President Akufo-Addo failed to do.
Oh, with all these initiatives.
Initiatives, right? Now, graduate unemployment.
Yes.
According to me,
yes.
Graduate unemployment. Then, who say, population here almost 500,000. And now, I buy the erstwhile administration. Now, on Muntimi ma or Mojuma, and I'm a boy. Deep in Abotre. Oh, but Okasana or Okasano, near meet me a boy. Say, Mike. Say, Sana Tiadia. Say 500,000. It is assumed, say, no money at Jumaye until say President Akufo-Addo bar power. It is an Kobe Juma. Because 500,000, we are sure saying more than causing he absorb your more. And I'm a boy. You was on Dominia Jumayo. Nanki, we are near about President Akufo-Addo and Casa Rings 4 years. It is true. Some more than 200,000 graduates and a graduate from our various institutions. Oh, please. Oh, please.
Oh, but in a year, can you listen to me for saying?
If you don't know it, don't go there.
More than 200,000 the free graduates free tertiary institutions.
All tertiary institutions. You're talking about all tertiary institutions.
What
all tertiary institutions.
Institutions.
Giving wrong figures to the public.
Okay, so saying approximately ASA. Okay, for every year.
For every year. Okay. Graduating up, because level 100.
But say, Mike, this is not fair.
Level 400.
Say, Mike, this is not fair.
Me say, figures are.
Maybe a
figures are fact. No, forms the actor does not commence.
No, the amount fund you can watch.
No more fun American.
Can University be saying
400, you know. Can University will be probably around 5,000 thereabout. Everybody won't do 5,000.
Okay.
And this is you multiply all of that, do they get to 200,000?
Okay.
Come on, man,
okay.
How many tertiary institutions do we have?
Many. I can't count because we are private.
Say, Mike, you should not interrupt again. More than 200,000 graduates graduating from all the institutions. I mean, tertiary institutions. Our mobile one. Say, Mike, sir, 200,000 multiply by 4 and then 800,000. Now, also about the whole 4 years, what creative employment among graduates 100,000?
Buy. We know here. If I should come in here, we know a graduate. Omono eko NAPCO, but then of course we know that others are from Ojuma. Oman pass it to NAPCO. You are aware of that,
and of course, yeah, unim. Say, Mike. Arahosam no so ne say. NAPCO 100,000 cry a far months so akatuana problematic. Minim nipa where NAPCO over 11 months in Trianinka.
Just if you don't know, you're 1 out of 10.
But there are no one and if you have on some omonye.
That's possible.
Sir Mike. My another and some no more come. In fact, this is so. And more want to more feeling it. Yes, he who feels it knows it all.
The reason is a man for now when you know. If you draw still now they draw salaries from NAPCO, so they have to take them off. Because of that, no.
Many were there. Times are now a bab on Tibeka said, let us have the exit plan of NAPCO. We see never will be.
Oh, Namaka.
If one will be, Sir Mike, who one will be? Sir Mike, you didn't come one will be.
On paper, I've not seen it, but what it's him.
No.
Master, any government policy. Mustn't we have the benefit of exit plans?
Of NAPCO.
Master, many of them do not even know where they are going to land.
Oh, they know. Per the explanation of the mind, they know.
Okay, if you was entrepreneur. Omo ma yete say nyuma na o makomu na.
So bi wo ha na no ane pem no on pese obeye abayaduma.
Entrepreneur omo abonte kura ma hwe omo say na omo amudo omo kona kwa ma promise omo say institutions na no mo yaduma omo no. At the end of the day you find ways and means of absorbing. You some ways and means in the here. Because if you already have it, why do you have to create a special purpose vehicle say bibi the NAPCO? No one say go up your machine. Master, you fa ban aduma, obi aduma wa ban mo orientation it take 3 years.
See, you deceive yourself, and at the end of the day, when the reality is done on you, you don't have anything to say.
Right.
You should lie on top of that lies now. Okay,
Masamba, ma yentwa ho anya abafo nkatomra. Samba yesi aba message no. Babra na nya mre nkan fama. Ye ba yesi a.
Sema.
Animudia me manfo nye bintina mo ne yira. Ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo. Nso no mo nya ma asorema. Akom obi wo ho amene wo kasa stroke a cheno. Wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra. Ya djuma me mene da.
Okay.
Kwesi da. Edwoda, ebenada, okuoda, yawada. Efie da ana menya djuma na efie da wo be to me ya wo so me hwaw. Because nipa ana wo homeda. Nyankopon eni homeda.
Okay.
Akwala na wa wo no. Akwala na nya 10 years. Eko 15 years on 90 da. Woda fom. Obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo. Obi so ho so wa akwala no. De ye ya afi no kon no. Ya na echi na da so. Ebia na ne tachere ma afi na ne timi mo. Ye kete. Oh ho no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no. Malam se nkasa fa na bra. Ebi so ho so a me ne wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do. We jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom wasa glue an kasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne wo kasa wo ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi wo ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ wo kwan no ube kuma say abaya mre
okay
wo banyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawo TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena osuko na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so agye afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena Mala mo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana obefre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tiebi na intumi emwa piao
right I was here sign Emma Makwaba ugo so Sinupi live on Kumawo television Rajen channel Fabra na yenkenkan emfa Emma Wezi please my name is Cash from Asante Mampon. I want to ask if the government will open the portal for new NAPCO recruitment or not. Okay, ebe you know. Good evening. You are serious presenter of our time. Please ask the NPP man that what is his incompetent government doing for the cocoa farmers. We are dying of hunger in our villages because if they buy our cocoa, they don't pay. Oh, sir, cocoa understand omuntiaka. Well, Sir Mike, please, I want you to do a program about cocoa sector for we the farmers too, because we are dying. My son has been in the house for 3 weeks without getting money to go to school. Enoch from Ajumako. Cocoa from Kaja. Well, your name for Bedi Hu and Komo. We say, please, we beg you, pay us our allowances. NAPCO personnel, poor. Okay, your president, Akufo-Addo and Bawumia, all are incompetent. Pachoso Muntia Oka, and as I got them incompetent. Nyabutre, and Nyabutre. Good evening, sir. My tell the MPP man that if somebody is doing bad, would they also continue to do bad? They should stop talking about John Mahama and be thinking of how to bring development to our doorsteps. Create employment, pay salaries, protect journalists, and give them peace to work and contribute to the development of this country. NPP can run, but they can't hide. 2024 is coming, whether NAPCO personnel are paid or not. NPP government will see. We Efidari Timothy Edifri wa enode aba ofaya sapon Edifri afu Kenya say or say please the NPP man is telling lies. They are telling us okay, they have not sent anything to our line manager. The NDC man is telling the truth. Okay. Well, Naza, I believe you are a NAPCO. So I believe you are a NAPCO personnel. Okay. We'll say I'm Richard, watching you live from Doma and Inko. Sir, please tell the NPP government to pay NAPCO trainees allowance because we also deserve because we also deserve to be paid. Okay. Also, good evening. Sir, please tell the NPP man to give us the exact date of payment because he is not willing to answer. Okay. And also the other thanks to Kumaru TV for putting hopefully on we the NAPCO trainees at last. We know our stand. Okay. And so yeah, that's it. We as a national organizer, coalition of NAPCO trainees, Thomas Eddie Odiabano, Mr. Host, please tell the NPP guy to stop lying and pay us our 4-month allowances. The way we, the NAPCO trainees, are vexed indeed. This man is from NAPCO National Organizer, Coalition of NAPCO Trainees. You should stop lying and pay them. Okay. And also organizer there, and also Eddie Abanano. Enoch, and so they about say, I'm Enoch from Oda. Ask the NPP man what is the duty of RTC personnel. RTC personnel. Okay. Enoch Ibusano Eddie Amao. We say, Semai, congratulations. In fact, the way you interrogate kiss me watching your show. Let the NPP man tell the truth. They have not done anything for us. Okay. And also they are well, my some opportunity no. Come in about 3 minutes now for you to us. But I am faster that my God's way casket shop, a year wedding, engagement, adoring, and open machines, the sound system, open canopies, open your friend on Kunya, Ninano, your mouth be sans one year for that car, ambulance, car de betumu, and I say if Nadaka no, a home flowers, nay, you will be behind there, or Zebra. Now, on to me, about a year, any program be there. A God's way casket shop. I catch it and make for the amount. Omo Kumasi as a liberal and about. Over from it was 0243737457. 0243737457. Malam Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center. Oh, Kuwait to be a scafu amante. Malam Zebra. Wow, say a one and why then the amount Sika and a who I did at the amount Yare and a air how war. And I say, be a winner bumble. Opposite with deal as a temupanwa. Bra, now to me, wow. But if you be another that wanted to how woman to me one or tell now why Malan Sebra, now to me, was say, our then would have been worried. So, one of a pa, Mera, and Memorano, who ye be, bra, now on your Emfa Emma, Sanso, and a spiritual attack beyond Sebra, caught some one episode dibim, or bra, who so dibim the Yabuswa, about bet me up wow, or how Yare, Kodana, Amanino, a Korea, Ewo, Malam Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center, Kachi, or Ko TV Escafo, Amantem. Eastern region and Odu Koko Pepa, or TV Kao, Namalam HV MWL 0246 647 247 0246 647 247. Yare and I have what in China, Unya Yareno and Drew, Dr. For you secretly. Still, Yareno Eguso air how. Memoke you walk no more. The only place I make for the Amawo, a Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic, or more, Madame Katia, Sabaka Sebaqua, a Wukumase, Udium, Body Junction, and I be corner kwa yaresha na fi etimi abo pa yare bia obia no bra no mo na wani na efra kwa wi a o se bra na mo nte entimi emfa ema ho o mo kuma se o be frɛ wo mo e wo 0278626262 0278626262 na fi mo timi abo hyade so se Kumawu Training Institute na me ya domo a on the 17th another training e ba so ibo mo dia na be register na fi no yedimi fa so 300 Ghana cedis pe na ade ba na yama training yama pen drive na yama certificate ya ka ho ufechi na aba bi ada amatimi aboa we mo na eboa wa mame ko moro menti wakra
Semai na ne America na say what is the exit plan ye hu ye me no mie no hu ye ene won mo a exit mpon wo ba bia omo abra boy started last 3 years the kwako wi na campus o mu free baby ba on that tester because the way no be say be portal that
yes
it is not even known
amafo here juma
senka exit plan no ho no a see anka regional boss o ka say ko be ka say be portal no say the amafo en watch ata na me boa
okay
there is no exit plan what you say it is a monumental failure as regards that but you know say ya for I won't say na dru over say even 4 years 4 months cry over 4 months in
is it 3 months
3 months oh there oh say 3 months 3 months you pana for car 3 months we didi 3 months what in the sick car ye bibi ama baby a oye adwuma no 3 months in Trianica
bebe adwuma so onu obi na ye adwuma no bakọ so boso mo so anu agye de bew
chepe o be o fugu a etimi tia ni pa betrika won
mo so de 4 months
dabi e masa
okay
be da ba nsa
okay
we so on be di ansa na adu o mo so eti unim
manenye
ne ebe bua pa semai me tam ne nyanso ne ebe bua pa ene se president Akufo-Addo be ba bonten mo be pa Ghana mabunu a ya waste o mo time
saying
he masa say obey adwuma on at a sawmill 3 years ni etua oka ebia 500 cedis na unim say we continue na be adwuma bi 3 years ni etua ka 700 cedis na after that unim ba bia wo ko
oh they know
it is a total waste of your time
they know where they are going
ebia ni for no sankie jana sabre ko nya ba bia place ni ho a
is that what you are telling Ghanaians
but there's no exit plan one exit plan dey o we mu
okay
those
neighbor
the little percentage
it's okay
opportunity to enter into any permanent working place no
exit plan if they are saying that they are sorting those who have gotten permanent job out, they should not come out and pay us only 1 month, but rather the 3 months. I'm Dorcas Dodu from Ahinkro. Dorcas, that's what they Abba, I don't know. We say, I'm Ike Takrade, the NPP man can lie. Pa. How can you starve us for 3 months and you say 3 months pay? Is 3 months pay? Tell him not to receive his salary for 3 months and see. Okay. I say, oh, now, message you mean to me, God is not willing to do that to him. And he meant to me in kind of message, you know. I say, it surprised me that the NPP man is saying things that is not the reality. The NPP man should do this underground investigation on how many trainees have absorbed under the revenue model. He should stop lying to the public. Why? We are tired of these lies. Today, this, tomorrow, that. Aden, Bonnie Ben. Okay, good evening, sir. Please, I am a NAPCO trainee. With due respect, that NPP man is lying. They should pay us. They have wasted our time. Okay, they abandon. If I don't and for mame, it's really a cause for this government for not paying cocoa farmers. Okay, I say good work, boss. Please tell the NPP man to stop lying. NAPCO trainees are working seriously with hunger for national development. They should pay us and stop adding insult to our injury. I'm Ken, watching from Techimano. Well, Ken, yate yabia homanatum 0202668461 0202668462. Oba, lower the volume of your TV set na ekasa yento nkan ye. Be brief now for so into me in wem. Wow, remember.
As a plan as a man, no crying. Mr. Yama, every NAPCO trainee be a logbook.
Okay.
Call logbook no more. Your objectives of setting up NAPCO. Objective 2. They should go and read it.
Okay.
Objective number 2. They should go and read it. And I say a career pathway. All the background workers should speak to that issue. Say career pathway now. Yeah, you know. Jamana failing to subabia. Or is it your papa and answer uncle? And so how can you sit here because you've gotten the opportunity, because you can talk sweet and propaganda sweet, and what catch that when you have say
okay, my men for Konaka. Yes. Hello, good evening. Mamucho, free. Mana, I'm in tea on you, Ray.
Concerning the payment of local personnel. That between my his line. Which all imagine, say, 3 months. Now we are Jumani in Chioka. 3 months. All imagine in Chioka. Yet, in fact, we don't know one. I'm not here, Jumano. I thought it become almost a year. But I think we need to be a bedroom. They are just reserved to them. So, they should do the right thing.
Okay. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Okay, 0202-6684-61, 6684-62. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. What do you have to show free? Okay. And I say, hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. I show you free. Okay, until. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, say hello, good evening. Would you be actually free? Would you be actually free until you ring? Okay, I think say when to me Mama Hydrakela and Estremo, Mr. Line is why I say party Minyanapku for Nankasanwa, I think say a discussion. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Would you be actually free?
Because of the Kazakhstan buying district.
Okay. Okay.
Serious.
All the other saying. Okay. Okay. Right. Yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah. Now say now. Hello. Good evening. Odi e be ahwe free.
Ezere u free u bia.
Office so yentio. Okay. Okay. Yeah, now say 0202668461 668462 Obama be foul na afi edin komo ma TV will on form na ye nte won kan. Hello, good evening. Hello. Yeah, odi na be ahwe free. Okay, ye nte onyumre.
Okay. I don't know what kind of everyone. MPP man, I think that it's fine. And you will be your cost.
Okay. Yeah, I see. More moon say. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, be actually free and ring.
That's what I'm taking goals to require.
How come you ain't free gossip?
No, but you know,
okay. 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 Let us see. I think sir, young fella last call away. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. I'm sure free. I can't interview Takrade. Wow, I think it's only Ghana. I don't know from elsewhere, but per what we have read, Mr. Ghana and Kwana Yajmubia, Bosumu just was not panic chow. It's only Ghana. Why Jumanwa, Bosumu just was not panic chow. Sir, buy for Jumana and Bosumi and Sa, yes, not a bunch of Abaya Srew. Yeah, yes, he comes. Nippon Juman so and Karaka to American and Pacobacas to American. Only this country. And yeah. Well, yeah,
when offer bars information and area because they are public officers. Therefore, I privilege said Emma. May catch us Usika from April in Triaya reasons they won't money.
Yeah.
And there is a circular to it.
Okay.
The validation. Ya catch us point 12. Me reading here because security
point 12.
My document.
Okay.
And then they said
all trainees on Hill Ghana will have their stipends because withheld until their status are verified and validated against the Ghana Health Service, Controller, and Accountant General, Senate, and NMC. Those found. Let me read because you have given to me. No. You see, you are hiding information now. Or some of them are narco trainees, no? And then open say me and that is meaningless. Now where somebody say it's Ghana. Okay. The Hill Ghana for Omonsan Keska. Until say I've validate too.
You already know on the point on Hill Ghana. And that point is also the same for all the other models.
All the other models.
Okay. And yet, Papa, yes, I buy this one.
Okay.
nyina ko ni a aban nya ho dadre pa onya wa dadre pa na o ti fi o eno onya wa dadre pa enye se
banana na so nana why should I suffer because of obi a we adwuma ni bi ono nya permanent job na me nya permanent job no me no so kakra me yen so me suffer because of that person is that the right thing
tell me do you want someone me to ka say
sa audit na enwi na me go ahead validation na validate as one document and what as an isolated document
that's why I'm in office one that should be your duty.
And what you do is you do auditing and you compare it against an established data controller.
To me the 4 years in audit
we are now where is that
3 months audit
boss and as a more juma then some person more bracket channel
schedule one
your master says
schedule
yeah that your master says who call you juma said the be like no who call you juma na si enchao ka but some na I don't know the okopo bosia obey than watch it ni pan crono so beda ka obey than what you enti your best the government of
okay I think information na or they hide them no be e dey afford them this year but unfortunately the time na so and can be reading up to point 12 no e dey emamo thanks so much for feeding me with that exact information. I think I cherish my viewers so much you know say oti na na sinka so and I think tomorrow yeah
Samai
yeah that's it so am I
winning
good
15,000 times 72 hours.
I don't know day. Okay. Right. Takubu Moro. NDC communication team member. And I just see NPP and also an officer, regional officer, NAPCO.
3 months.
And Mike, on behalf of the entire crew, the CIHOEB. Once again, a very good evening. Watching now.
Oh, Munyaisa.
And Yarwa do obey and Ajini Pedriano Abosso. Yarebi to say, and Yare, Akumayare, Wadumwatsu, Wuntimin Didi, Obani Berima Wuntimin War. May comfort a read naturopathic clinic at Dudrona Efraye, Madame Katri Clinic Diamau, Madame Katri Clinic Enam Homeopathy, Naturopathy Subetu Yarenina Efriho. Yane Kofabaye, de Madame Katri Tonica Bedra so, a boas yesi ni Pedriano, Nitichu Edema and Ma, one woman will feature NCC ye. Sawono Madame Katri Tonica, a bow, Emma Winnie Pedriano, any year now, Boama will feature console aye kama. Ye won't feed you our swire, dear bed drama in swire, this shady Pedrianimu, a year raw do a hinting na Eddie. Katri Clinic, Ewa Kumase, Asante Mantem Buedinia walk. Madame Katrin Clinic, ya ring na last tom.
FD, I should say, Jadika to Imoja to say a ye.
Well, I will hear. You say free moon. Why the den? It is slower. We na fakoko with him and I said, I want you to offer and see no more. I didn't know it. We know it. Now, in fact, I'm going